Hi, welcome back to one of my book reviews. So here is the Ideals Inspiration issue. There's the back. It's a paperback book, and so let's take a flip through. It is Ideals volume 34, number 1. And it's always filled with beautiful images and poems. Wonderful. I love the Ideals. Oh, I remember these lace porcelain type figurines. The pages are really thick. So let's take a look here. I think this is 1975, I think. Sorry. Here's some calligraphy, just beautiful pictures and poems. Yeah, I thought I would start this series so that when you're looking for a book online and you wonder what it looks like on the inside, whether or not you want to buy it. You know, when you look on eBay or Amazon or whatever, I think there are some on Amazon that show you a couple pictures of the inside, but not the entire book. So I just thought for us crafters, I would do a book a week and feature a book and show it, tell you everything about it. So if you like it, then you can search for the book online also. Or I may list it too in my Etsy shop. So there you go. That was Ideals Inspiration issue. Thank you.